Hello everyone, I'm Navneet from Just Evaluate, and today I bring to you sample answer of semi-formal letter. So let's begin. I'll just share the question with you and also the answer. So let's first see the question. I hope you can all see this. Now, what is the question? Question is that you are employed with a firm and it is hosting an important event. However, you will not be able to attend it due to a personal emergency. Write a letter to your reporting manager. In your letter, these are the three bullet points which you have to explain. First is give a reason for your absence and apologize. Explain in detail why your personal event is more important and explain what you will do to catch it. Now you have to write at least 150 words and you do not need to write any address or date for that matter when you start the letter. Now, begin your letter as follows. Dear Mr. White. So the question is still here and it will be given in this format. Now we begin with the answer. So you should give just 20 minutes to letter writing, divided into 3 minutes for writing down your points, then 15 minutes to actually write down the letter, and 2 minutes to revise. Now, this demarcation is very, very important. So we begin with Dear Mr. White. Then the purpose of writing the letter. Why are you writing the letter? I'm writing this letter to request for leave of absence from the annual general business meeting to be held next week due to a personal excuse. So at the outset, now you need to give details. So see the first bullet point. What is he saying? Give a reason for your absence and apologize for the same. So, at the outset, I would like to apologize for not being able to attend the annual meeting coming up next week. I recognize the importance of the event in terms of networking and growth prospects. You also are telling the person that I know it's a very, very important meeting. However, my mother suddenly suffered a cardiac arrest and had to be operated on. I'm with her at the hospital. So, this is quite an emergency where your mother fell seriously ill and you had to be with her. So you cannot just miss an important event of your business or of your company unless there is a far more important event. So when you write this, keep it in mind. Second, now then explain in detail why your personal event is more important, why this was more important. So while the surgery was successful, she is still in delicate shape. She requires constant assistance and faces a long road to recovery. Moreover, being her only child, she needs my help during this difficult recovery period. So you've also explained in detail that why is your presence required there. Then the third bullet point, explain what you will do to catch up. So how will you now, the rest of the team has attended the or will be attending the meeting, but you would have missed out on that. So how will you come on par? Be at par with your teammates. Then you say, I assure you that I will catch up by going through the minutes of the meeting. I have already asked my colleague Mr. Brown to share the details with me. Therefore, I will be on par with the rest of the team and my work will not suffer. So you've mentioned also that you're a responsible person and whatever happens in that important meeting, you'll get the details of it and therefore you will be at par with the rest of the. So then you make your closing statement, but hoping for your kind consideration. And in semi-formal, you use yours sincerely and your full name, Will Smith. So look at the choice of words, look at vocabulary, look at the cohesive devices that I've used here, which are highlighted, and make sure that you use about 4 to 5 cohesive devices here. And next, I'll be taking up a sample answer of informal letter. Please do subscribe to my channel and also leave a comment.